Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will look at how to add the calligraphic letter H to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX Code. So letter H is the 8th letter in the modern English alphabet, which is a Latin alphabet consisting of 26 letters. And we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. Here we'll add in lowercase calligraphic H, and we'll use the command mathcal. So that's a backslash followed by mathcal, and we'll input in this command a lowercase letter h, and we'll add $2 symbols before and after the LaTeX code to actually show this letter. So now when we run this cell, we have the lowercase calligraphic letter h here, center in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So we can also add in a uppercase calligraphic h, and we use the same command mathcal. We'll input in this command a capital H and add $2 symbols before and after the LaTeX code. So now when we run this cell, we have an uppercase calligraphic letter H here, center in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add the calligraphic letter H to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.